The Karnataka High Court had some very tough words for Kamal Hassan today, including a great metaphor. You cannot unscramble scrambled eggs. The court was reacting to Hassan's recent remark that Kannada was born out of Tamil, a comment that has sparked a widespread outrage in Karnataka. The judges told the 70-year-old actor and soon to be Rajya Sabha MP, "You're not just anyone, you're a public figure, your words carry influence." Hassan, who is expected to be nominated in the Rajya Sabha with support from Tamil Nadu's ruling DMK, is currently promoting his new film Thug Life, which is due for release this week. It was the promotion of this film where Kamal Hassan made the remarks, which have landed him in a legal suit. The court didn't mince words today. Quote, "You have the right to speak, yes, but not the right to hurt public sentiment," the judge said. The bench also made it clear that if the comment was a mistake, Hassan could simply fix the situation with a single statement. "Withdraw the remark, just say, 'This is what I meant. If I hurt anyone, I'm sorry.' That's all. You yourself can undo the damage," the judge said, adding that language is deeply tied to people's identity and should be treated with care. The court also raised concerns about potential disruption to the film's release in Karnataka. Quote, "Crores can be earned from the state, but if you don't value its people, then walk away from the revenue." Hassan's team has asked for protection around the release of Thug Life, which has been facing ban threats in Karnataka, but the court pushed back, saying it was seeking legal cover for a controversy he had caused himself. "You've created the situation," the court said, "and now want protection from the fallout." The judge also recalled past controversies like those involving films such as Kala and Padmavati and pointed that even superstar Rajnikant had withdrawn a statement when it's upset people. "We won't let anyone take public sentiment lightly. If you've made a mistake, you should know how to make it right," the court said. The matter has been posted for 2:30 p.m. with the court urging Kamal Hassan to reflect and return with a decision. "If you want to stand by your comment, we're ready to pass orders," the judge warned.